In this video, we'll be doing the unboxing of the DEVIreg Solo. Here you see we have both the black and the white variants. For unboxing, remove the seal, open the box, and the first thing you'll be presented with is the installation manual. Going further, when we open the box, we have the thermostat. And then at the bottom of the box, we have installation screws and the floor sensor. For installation, disassemble the thermostat. And here you have the power supply unit, the DEVIframe, and the thermostat. When you're ready to install the DEVIreg Solo, start with disassembling the thermostat. Pull the power supply unit and the frame and pull apart. Start by installing the power supply unit, following the installation guide and the wiring diagram on the back. Once that is installed, you can take the thermostat, place it in the frame, ensure you remove the battery slip, go up to the power supply unit, put it in place, and then click it in, and you're good to go.